In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Over here, Password and Security section. Now select Screen Lock over here and tap on one of those login methods that you wish to set up, pattern, PIN or password. Then hit Got It in the pop-up and create your login method. Following that, repeat it to confirm it and select Confirm. If you wish to add a fingerprint right away, select Add in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't, just tap on Cancel. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!